Hello all. I, Miss Pradnya Bormane, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS IOT, welcome you all for today's topic, Building Block of Internet of Things. Today, I am going to discuss about two building blocks of IoT, that is Internet of Things. One is a sensor and second is actuator. So sensor. What is a sensor? Sensor is a device which detects or measures a physical property and records, indicates, or otherwise respond to it. The definition given in the Oxford Dictionary. Another way we can define it, a sensor detects or senses changes in the ambiguous conditions or in the state of another device or a system, and it forwards or processes this information in a certain manner. So sensors, they perform some input function by sensing the physical changes in the characteristics of a system in response to stimuli. If we consider an example, heat, which is converted to electrical signals in a temperature sensor. If we consider an atmospheric pressure, it is converted to electrical signals in a barometer. Next, we will see some of the types of sensors. We have light sensor, temperature, force, position, speed, sound, chemical. I have given some of the types of sensors pictures here. As a pressure sensor, we have ultrasonic distance tilt sensor, infrared motion sensor, and so on. Next, we will see about what is actuator. Actuator is a component of a machine or a system that moves or controls the mechanism of the system. So, actuator is the mechanism by which a control system acts upon an environment. It requires a control signal and a source of energy. Whenever a control signal is received, the actuator responds by converting that energy into mechanical motion. The control system, it can be a simple, any fixed mechanical or electronic system, software based, can consider an example of a robot control system, a human, or any other input. There are different types we have under actuator. We have hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical, thermal or magnetic, mechanical. So here if we consider an hydraulic actuator, which consists of a cylinder or a fluid motor that uses hydraulic power to facilitate mechanical operation. Here the mechanical motion is converted to linear, rotary or oscillatory motion. Here the radial engine, which is act as an hydraulic actuator, you can see from this figure. If we consider another type, that is electric actuator, it is powered by a motor that converts electrical energy into mechanical torque. The electrical energy is used to actuate the equipment such as solenoids for valve, which control the flow of a water in pipes in response to electrical signals. So there is one of the other type of actuator. Again, we have mechanical actuators, which converts the rotary motion into linear motion to execute some movement, which involves gears, pulleys, chains, and other devices. We know some of the mechanical actuators. If we consider an example of rack and pinions. So this is what we have the basic building blocks of IoT. One is a sensor and another is a actuator. Thank you.